Hello everyone. It's a great opportunity to be a part of this Reva hackathon, and our team is Hack Elite. We have taken up a project on cloud-based bus pass system. The topic which we have chosen is very relevant to the current situation problems. Basically, it's a real time project which is useful for the commuters who are facing problems with the current manual work of bus pass system. It makes the passenger easy to travel with a ticket QR code with a mobile, so that even if the passenger loses the ticket at the time of checking, he can show that QR code and get rid of that problem. The ticket collector can check the QR code with the admin whether it matches or not. The unique number which is allotted for one person cannot be same for the other one. The reasons for why we require this online based cloud based bus pass system is, if people has less time for generating a pass, and if people don't want to stay in a long queues and wait for long time, they can easily generate their passes and tickets online. And as we all know, there is a tedious procedure for issuing as well as renewing of passes. We can save our time by issuing the passes and tickets in online. Passes are still physical slips of papers, not digital cards. And the features of this project: it is eco-friendly, it is user-friendly, and it is easy and secure. We can assure secure e-payment and no change problem. As we all know, we experience this problem everywhere, like we'll not be having change, proper change in online payment. We may not have to face such kind of problems, and money can be refundable, and we will get updated schedule about the buses and the tickets in online. And the goals of this projects are: using this website, we can check all the details related to bus pass and instruction like how to renew pass, how to update it, and also provide details of student discount. This website keeps all information of all bus passes. Passengers first need to verify themselves the system using various through registration. Once verified, the system allows them to book passes for any route online. Users can recharge through debit cards, credit cards, or any online based payments. Now I'm going to brief out the working procedure that we are following in this project. This site may get overloaded due to huge number of users visiting at once. Thus, this system is built up using cloud infrastructure for improved performance. In addition, the online system lets the customers to check the availability of the bus ticket before they buy any bus tickets. Furthermore, customers no need to pay cash to buy bus ticket, because they can pay the bus ticket using credit card or debit card or any online mode of transaction. Hence, there is a need of reformation of the system with more advantages and flexibility. And the advantages of this cloud based bus pass system is, it saves time and affordable and comfortable as well, and it is secure from CSRF and CSS attacks, and it is not editable as well. And the disadvantages are, this application is supported by a particular operating system. We cannot run this application on any others operating system. It is operating system dependent, and the version is Android 2.3, and it requires a large database and memory. The software requirements of this projects are Windows XP or Windows 7, or the recent version is Windows 10. We can use any one. And SQL database, that is also the updated version we can use. And Visual Studio 2012 and Windows Azure. And the hardware requirements are cloud server, processor. Here it is given as i3, but Even if we use the higher version of processors, it is okay, i3, i5 or any i7 processor. And the hard disk we require for this project is 5 GB, and the memory we require is 1 GB of RAM. And we have implemented the code using C language, and here is the implementation and execution